let's make this beautiful everyday centerpiece also perfect for transitioning from winter into spring. So let's get started. We're going to start off with this really pretty whitewashed vase. Set it over there. Next, I'm going to add in this pedestal Compote, and it also has some distressing and some whitewashing to it. Let's take this viney greenery, which I got probably last year from Michael's. So what I'm going to do is kind of, I'm going to go back behind this. I'm going to kind of separate it out in front, and I can finish separating that here in just a minute. I might have to readjust these pieces, but let's just see. And then I have just this really cute little riser. I'm sure this is from Hobby Lobby. Yep, from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to put this kind of in the center of the two of them. Now let's add in some greenery into our big terracotta pot. And I just bent this. My thought is that I want the greenery to go this direction. So I just kind of bent this up so that I could sit it down in there. And then I'm going to use two of them. There we go. Now in this Compote, what I want to do is I want to add in some of these, I don't know what you call them, bowl fillers, I guess. I got these from Hobby Lobby a while ago. So let's just add some in to do this, kind of adjust things as we go here. Now, what I want to do now is I kind of want to add in some greenery in those holes there. And so I just looked in my stash of greenery, and I just have these little pieces that I have cut off from bushes over time. Some of them even have picks on them because I was using them in something. If you've watched my channel for very long, you know that I like to use the picks machine, especially when I am using or when I'm creating centerpieces that I sell. So what I'm going to do in this situation is I'm just going to kind of add it in. We're going to fill in those holes a little bit. I'm going to do that all the way around. And your greenery doesn't have to all be the same. These are various pieces that I have. And I do like the look of mixing things up a little bit. Let's see. All right, let's see if there's any other holes in there that I want to add in something. There, I think that looks good. So interestingly, I put this together so that I could take product shots of my candles. And when I got this together, I thought, you know what? I really want to share this with you guys because it's super simple. And it's something that is perfect for this transition when maybe you're not quite ready to do your Easter yet or get into spring, but you just want something pretty. And again, this can go on your kitchen island. It can go on a coffee table. It can go anywhere. I'm just showing you here at my table. But what I am going to do on this riser is I'm going to add in one of my candles. This particular one is in a mason jar and it's 1 wick and it is available on my website. So I'll put that, try to put all this information in the description box for you. But I'm just going to set that here. And of course, you want to make sure that you don't have anything in the way of the flame. So just want to be aware of that. Now, what I'm going to do here, you could just leave the greenery as it is. Very pretty. But to me, it just needed a little something. So what I did was I found some leftover pieces that I had of flowers, and we're just going to add those in. So I only have one of this one, just going to add that one in the back. I have 2 of these, and I'm going to kind of add these in more towards the end. And then I have 2 more smaller ones, and I'm just going to add those in kind of here. Now you may need to work with your little, with your greenery a little bit here to get it to look right. But this gives you the idea. It's super simple. Hopefully you have some things around your house that you can use to put it together with. And I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this, and let's take a closer look.